Welcome to our comprehensive training on responsible AI. Our mission is to equip you with the knowledge and skills required to harness the capabilities of generative AI tools effectively, while also ensuring responsible and ethical engagement. Let's delve into the core components of this training course. Our primary objective is to promote frequent but responsible use of generative AI tools. We aim to empower you to leverage these tools to enhance productivity without compromising ethical standards. This training covers a wide range of essential topics to provide you with a holistic understanding of responsible AI usage. Here's an overview of the course contents. We'll explore briefly the diverse applications of text generative AI, spanning from content generation and translation to data analysis and more. To lay a strong foundation, we'll delve into the non-technical basics of large language models, which will help to understand the probabilistic nature of LLM's responses. Recognizing the limitations and potential risks of generative AI is essential. We'll examine issues such as inaccurate responses, vague prompts, bias, and the ever-present challenge of data leakage. We will address the frequently overlooked concern of using biased prompts that inadvertently reinforce the user's confirmation biases when interacting with generative AI tools. Ethical considerations are at the heart of responsible AI usage. We'll delve into the ethical principles and guidelines that should govern your interactions with generative AI tools. This includes ensuring the content generated is not harmful, misleading, or biased. Customized chatbots represent a significant application of generative AI in business processes. Explore how organizations can leverage these chatbots for customer service, HR, IT, and more. Implementing responsible AI practices is crucial when deploying customized chatbots. We'll discuss strategies to ensure ethical and secure interactions with users, respecting privacy and confidentiality. Prompt injection is an emerging threat to enterprise chatbots, necessitating our awareness and vigilance. To conclude, we'll present a comprehensive set of best practices for the responsible use of generative AI tools. These practices encompass fact-checking, crafting precise prompts, bias detection, disclose usage or not to generate harmful or misleading content, among others. By the end of this training, you will have gained valuable insights and practical guidance for responsible AI usage. These takeaways will empower you to navigate the complex landscape of AI-driven content generation with confidence, ethics, and efficiency. Let's embark on this journey together, as responsible AI users, and unlock the full potential of generative AI tools while upholding ethical standards and best practices.